Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can try on any emote in Roblox using the customization or marketplace feature in Roblox avatar. So if you ever wonder if that 500 Robux emote actually looks good with your current outfit, here you can just try this guide. First, you can just go to the avatar menu on your Roblox, and then you can just find the marketplace. Click on animations, and you'll find the bundles and also the emotes options. So if you want to see how the emotes will look like on your avatar, you can just choose which one. For example, this one, and the preview will shown in here. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.